Hi friends! Our van has finally arrived. As many of you know, we ordered this van 7 months ago back in January. We were very excited, but it was very delayed. Finally, we got a notice in July that it was built. A few days later, this was in the news. This train was headed our way. Thankfully, our van was not on that train. Paul was also very thankful.
And how would that's the bullet in the train?
When you said that, did you see my response?
Yeah.
I've never seen it like that before.
We picked it up at Markville Ford in Unionville on Friday the 13th, our lucky day. This is Paul Yu. He helped us get exactly what we wanted. If you're in the Toronto area and looking for a Ford, he's the guy for you.
Navigate through here now.
Perfect.
Hey!
Oh, yeah.
Hi friends! We just picked up our van and
In
we're
600 meters, keep right to stay on Ontario 401 West.
just driving it home. There's the driver. And a little van tour.
All of the electrical wiring is under this black cover. Alex opened it up, looking for a break in the wiring so that we could move it, but no such luck.
Alright, so we open this up. Open it all the way. And there are no connections. No connections to take apart and put it under.
We'll likely leave it the way it is. We found a number of threaded holes. Here's a few of the sizes we were able to identify. Some will come in handy with our build.
All right, action.
So, coming cart to cart, you want move it a little forward. Open the door. Pull the lever. And we turn until you hit the steering wheel.
It's
that.
this, yeah.
You have to adjust it. Back, adjust, and there we go. Perfect.
We ordered the factory swivel seats. They seem a bit clumsy when trying to turn them around, but I'm sure practice will make the process smoother as time goes by.
I found the gas tank. Yep, I did find the gas tank. Look, there's no opening. Oh wow, not that much. 6 3/8. Measuring this piece, suspension, bottom of the suspension, so we got 5 inches.
That's not good.
But if you can put the rock in between, you go up to 11 inches.
Oh,
You get up to 11 inches here.
that's risky.
Yeah, very risky.
We are very excited to turn this empty van into a travel camper. If you'd like to see our progress, subscribe to our channel.